Well, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with not another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, but some bad news. The site's been hacked. I really can't go into exactly the nuts and bolts of it, but it's something I can't fix, and I've started a GoFundMe, and yeah, this is like out of my league, out of my wheelhouse, and so I need help, please. So I really appreciate the help that people have already given, and yeah, hopefully this will be resolved soon. Whatever is above the amount that is needed for the fix will go to stuff for the site. One thing that we need is a new scanner. There's condensation on the inside of the scanner. And the other thing is, I've had a lot of people say they hate this camera. So there's the possibility that I could get something that might be more of like just a wide angle, not a fisheye. Maybe that'd make you guys happy. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if GoPros do that, but whatever. But main goal here is to get the malware off of theramenraider.com as soon as possible, because all I know is that it's very much infected. It's going to take somebody who's a professional scrubbing the site and hardening it, which means makes it more impervious to attacks. Yeah, not a cool thing. So if you look down in the the comments underneath this video, there will be a link for the GoFundMe. And if you can't give anything and you watch the show all the time, maybe if you could share it, that link, that'd be great. But yeah, I mean, don't like go broke or nothing. No, I mean, yeah. But if you can help, that would be really, really nice of you, and I appreciate it. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my content. I really appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing, liking, all that good stuff. So anyways, yeah, thank you. Sorry to have to do a very needy post today, but it's just kind of the deal. Been hacked. I guess that means I'm famouser? I don't know. Somebody cares enough to hack it. Anyways, this is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.